What is going on, y'all? Tareed here with Seven Cities Fishing, back with another video. This video, filmed it about a week ago, fishing with Jesse and Keith. Jesse Southern Reels, y'all know him. I'm, of course, not having an intro. I'm really bad at it. I'm always so focused on just fishing once I get there. I don't even think I filmed an intro for the day I fished today.
Oh,
But
come down.
we went out to Elizabeth River, and we did a pretty good
Ooh,
job,
we
so
even
I
got
hope y'all
this
enjoy
spot.
this.
Waiting for the Gilmerton to open. Just busted this guy. Nice 19 incher. I don't know what it is. It's big, whatever it is. He's still pretty far out. It's striper season, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, easy now. You in there with it. Yeah, nice striper.
Big tank.
Yeah, nice striper.
Big tank.
28.
Another nice one waiting for the bridge to open. Bridge is coming up. Found a little spot to catch some fish while waiting on the bridge to open back up to get back through.
We don't live it out waiting for the bridge though.
Yeah. Waited on it this morning, now we're waiting on it to get back through.
Oh my god. Once again, stop here looking for the bridge. Stop out. Really, that wasn't that great.
Yeah.
We just caught him a nice 22-inch puppy drum.
Wouldn't mind some of those.
We did that. Late.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Shake your head. Shake your head. Shake your head. Yeah. Come on. One more time. Oh, you don't want to anymore. Ooh. Oh, the net was all jacked up. Oh. The less have to touch how slimy back, the better. Ooh, there we go.
There you go. That's a nice one there. Net.
Should be able to just flip him in.
He literally flipped him in.
Yeah. Woo! I swear, if I throw plastic for the rest of the year, it's going to be these jerk shads. I don't know what about them. I wouldn't imagine they have that great of action.
I think it's perfect too. Huh?
Yeah. It's a color I've never used before, dark and stormy. It's by that flats class guy.
These would be functioning properly.
There's two colors I've used by him now that have absolutely done well. Another one called Beer Run. That's like white with a gold belly.
He's got nothing but weight. Whatever it is, if it goes over in that bridge, I'm done for.
Woohoo!
That might be the biggest trout we've seen.
That's a striker.
Hope it's a trout.
Good God.
That's on a Stratic pulling like that too.
Don't pop them off. I want to see what it is at least.
Nice puppy drum.
Good God, son!
Big old striper.
I think it's a puppy drum.
Puppy drum.
Yeah.
Back up, hold on. That boy's not happy.
No.
Ah. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
No problem, man. You go back.
Wouldn't know it.
Look at all those boats.
Oh yeah, buddy. Heck yeah, man. Nice one.
Thanks for picking up the camera, man.
Yeah, no problem. I just saw one flash right there.
That's a pretty fish.
Heck yeah, man. Awesome.
You got button, that's for sure.
The flowers right there.
Yeah, guys, that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've been trying to come out with more, especially this one pretty soon because I totally screwed up any, not erased, but just that file got corrupted to the last one. If you enjoyed, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one, and it will be very soon.